proper nice weather today. He's got his camera crew here as well. Yeah. Lock in traffic. So excited over a brand new seal. So there you go. That's my brother's Skyline. It's gone off to get loads of work done now. Basically, man, look at all of the parts that I'm starting to sort out for the E30 and everything. So I'm really working hard on getting the garage and everything like that prepped so that I can move all of this over into the garage. So basically no one will shout at me anymore for keeping all of this here in the conservatory area. But yeah, so my brother's car's got taken away now by Steve Richardson, and he's gonna basically, I said his name wrong in the last video. It's Steve Richardson, not Steve Richards. I don't know why I keep calling him Steve Richards. It's something wrong in my brain right now, so yeah, it is one of those things. So Steve's gonna be doing all the work to the car. And like I said, I am going to be trying to go down, visit the car as much as I can to get as many updates for you guys as I can. So Steve's going to start working on the car, and it's going to be quite a long process. But I've seen some of his work. Me and my brother went down a few months ago, and trust me, his work is amazing. If you want to see some of his work or anything like that, his Facebook page is absolutely insane. In fact, he spends too much time on Facebook. Everyone keeps saying he doesn't spend enough time working on cars because he just chills so much on Facebook, sharing all the pictures and everything. But it's awesome for everyone like us to just enjoy watching all that happen to the cars. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys a couple of new parts my brother's got for his R33. So let's jump to that now. So everyone, in the last video with the R33, you would have seen me basically discuss how my brother's bought a huge amount of new parts basically for his project. So he is sat just over there, but you know, he's being so kind to me as to let me open these. Dang, this tape is on there real good. It's alright, I'm gonna open these quite gently because I don't want to damage anything inside. So, oh my! This is from letter from RHD Japan. Let's open this one. Let's go with that. As you can already tell which brand these are, I'm just going to start opening them, and I'm going to get my brother to shout out.
That's the gearbox mount.
As you probably just heard him, this is the gearbox mount. I'm guessing those two are the engine mounts. You know what? That actually smells so good. When did you come smell the rubber? I'll come do some close-ups in a second once I've finished opening everything up. Passing the smell test, guys. Right, so this bad boy. This is the one that I think my brother's most excited about. Let me bring y'all into this. What's up?
Why can't you be on view properly?
Don't say that now, man.
Like, check.
Right, little bits and pieces like this should start giving away what we're actually looking at right now. Got all these little gaskets going on right now, people. You can kind of start getting an idea, maybe. I just got a little glimpse of this. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is ridiculously light. So this is the Nismo intake Plenum, I believe is how you say it. Oh my. You think I'm weird when I'm smelling it, but it actually smells so good. Can't stop staring at it. Right, we're gonna stop the video here right now. I'm gonna do some close-up shots. I'm gonna let my brother play around with his new toys. Just gonna do some. You guys don't need to see that. Some nice close-up shots of everything. You know it's shiny when you can see the camera in the reflection. So I think this is an interesting way to end the video with these very nice parts. You could have told me that before. Okay, never mind. Okay, well. Ooh, No, but yeah, so there is still loads more parts that we still gotta unbox and just basically get a nice good overview of everything before my brother gets them all sent off to get put onto his car. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to see all the regular updates with this R33 project. We're gonna go visit Steve every so often as well to kind of just get a good overview of the car. And then whenever he gets new parts or anything like that, we'll do videos of them as well. But for the time being, guys, peace out. See you in the next video. Catch you later.